The Joba Kit. The John Blatter Adjective Kit is a game-based technique that encompasses gamification to learn adjectives effectively. The Joba Kit is produced in two distinct forms to implement a play-by-play approach as well as self-access learning. Adjective is one of the 8 parts of speech in English grammar. The function of adjective is to modify nouns. It is often used either in written or spoken language in everyday life. However, many students encounter some difficulties in using descriptive adjectives. That is why they often make some errors in the use of adjective. As a teacher, how are you teaching adjective to these students? Why choose hard way to prepare materials when you have the Joba Kit? The Joba Kit, a magical encounter with adjectives. Introducing you, the innovators of the Joba Kit. Dr. Tusharani, Team Advisor, Rishwini, Team Leader, following by Kasintri, Logendran and Saranya. What is the Joba Kit? The Joba Kit, a platform based on Google Sites where one plays and learns adjectives in the fun way. Students are able to construct sentences, identify the types of adjectives and are able to use them in their daily life conversation. The Joba Kit is also encompasses self-access learning. The Joba Kit combines the multiple intelligence learning theory, entertainment learning concepts and TPAC frameworks in producing effective and of quality ICT instructional media for teaching adjectives. Each adjective group contains a video exploring a specific adjective word with an interactive board game. It's also bilingual where students can learn adjectives in English and Bahasa Melayu. Notes on adjectives can be accessed in our website. And also 9 board games are designed for each adjectives in our website. There is also a diversity in the constructed sentences where students can access objective questions, construct sentences, describe the noun and anagram. So now I will show you how to play this board game for descriptive nouns. Firstly, this game can be accessed by teachers or students. One can play this game by using dice, just like snake and ladder, or play manually from 1 to 20. For an example, when you roll the dice and you got number 4, you may click number 4 on the board and answer the question given. You may click the green button beneath the question to reveal the answer. Later on, you may click the green button again to go back to the question. One has to click the green frog on your right to go back to the home page. Moreover, there is also diversity in the constructed questions where students will have to answer objective questions from 1 to 6. Later on, from question 7 to 11, students have to construct sentence based on a word given. For an example, beautiful, students also may click to reveal the answer. Now, for question 12 to 16, students have to describe the nouns with descriptive adjectives. For an example, black big elephant. Lastly, from question 17 to 20, students have to form an adjective based on the picture given. For an example, students have to guess a word based on the picture given. And that's how you play this board game. The 3 primary benefits of this innovation. Firstly, it trains students to use adjectives to construct sentences, identify the types of adjectives correctly and accurately, and the ability to insert correct adjectives into their daily conversation. Secondly, in line with PPPM 2013 to 2025, Shift 7, it supports the need to utilize ICT to improve the quality of learning in Malaysia. Increase cognitive learning through the technique of learn and play. Thirdly, it strengthens the memory of students because the kit supports various learning skills named visually, audio and kinesthetic skills. It's also easily accessible through mobile phones and tablets, which are common gadgets among students. The current innovation is new, entirely based on virtual world game-based learning where a combination of play and learn is highlighted through gamification. The Joba Kit also helps teachers develop interactive ICT instructional mediums quickly and easily in teaching and learning. This is our kit. Let's Get Censored before the improvisation took place. Compared to the Let's Get Censored innovation, there is no cost required to produce this Joba Kit. With the innovation of the Joba Kit, teachers will be able to deliver lessons in a more fun approach, assign assignments to the students and connect with them online and offline. And these are the results of the effectiveness of Joba Kit after conducting it among students. Firstly, students are able to understand the usage of adjectives. Secondly, the proficiency in the use of adjectives is higher compared to the last time. Thirdly, students are able to build sentences using adjectives. Lastly, students are able to describe noun more effectively with the help of the kit. Why the Joba Kit is flavored by students? Because firstly, it emphasizes play-based learning. Secondly, it helps level 1 and level 2 pupils to easily learn, understand and grasp adjectives. Thirdly, teamwork, cooperation, tolerance, interaction with each other through play activities fulfills teaching and learning objectives. Besides, it can be also learned via mobile and also self-access learning. Finally, these are the pictures taken before NCO 3.0. Children using Joba Kit before the improvisation took place. Thank you.